In this video,
we will learn how to gift skins in Fortnite. In order to gift skins in Fortnite, it is extremely simple. Firstly, all you need to do is open up your Fortnite game, then head to the shops menu from the top left hand side of your screen. After that, you'll need to select the gift that you want to gift your friend. So I'll just select this one. After selecting it, there will be an option called the gift at the bottom left hand side of any bundle or skin. Just left click on it. After you select it, you will need to select one of your friends in order to gift that item. Keep in mind that you can only gift any of your friends and nobody else. After selecting that friend, there will be a wrap option which lets you select the type of wrap that you prefer to gift it in. After confirming the wrap, all you need to do is just click on this button which says gift. You need to press and hold it. And also keep in mind that any of your gifts are non-refundable, so you cannot get a refund for any of your gifts that you have given out to your friends. So after you have got enough V-Bucks, you can just press and hold this button in order to gift any of your friends and they'll receive that item. So this is how you can easily gift any item or skin to your friends in Fortnite. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.